So, what exactly is Meskel? Meskel, meaning cross in Guizi, is one of the most significant religious holidays in Ethiopia, celebrated by Ethiopian Orthodox Christians. It commemorates the discovery of the true cross by Saint Helena in the 4th century. According to legend, Saint Helena, the mother of Roman Emperor Constantine the Great, discovered the cross on which Jesus Christ was crucified. Meskel has been celebrated for centuries, with its roots tracing back to around 326 AD. The story goes that Saint Helena had a dream instructing her to make a bonfire, and the smoke would lead her to the true cross. Following this divine vision, she lit a bonfire, and sure enough, the smoke pointed her to the location of the cross. This miraculous event is what Meskel celebrates. Now, let's talk about how Ethiopians prepare for and celebrate Meskel. Preparations begin days in advance with the building of a demera, a large bonfire constructed from dried wood and decorated with yellow mescal flowers. This bonfire symbolizes Saint Helena's discovery of the cross. The celebration reaches its peak on Meskel Eve, known as Demera, when thousands gather around the Demera. The atmosphere is electric with singing, dancing, and chanting as the faithful light the bonfire. The burning of the Demera is a spectacular sight, symbolizing light and hope. As the flames rise, there's a sense of unity and spirituality in the air. The ashes from the bonfire are considered holy and are often used to bless homes and fields. On Meskel Day, the celebrations continue with church services, feasting, and more dancing. People dress in their best traditional attire, and there's a sense of joy and community everywhere you look. It's a time for family gatherings, sharing meals, and giving thanks. Meskel is more than just a religious holiday. It's a cultural cornerstone that brings Ethiopians together, reinforcing their faith, heritage, and sense of community. It's recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity, highlighting its global significance. And that's a wrap on our journey through Meskel. This incredible festival is a beautiful blend of history, faith, and tradition, showcasing the rich cultural tapestry of Ethiopia. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to History Matters for more fascinating stories from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.